Welcome to my channel, and here I'll be showing you how to construct an hypocycloid. We have done that of epicycloid, and here we want to construct hypocycloid. Okay, so as I said, for the epicycloid we need three things. We need the radius of rolling circle, and the radius of rolling circle that I will be using here is 30 millimeters, and the radius of base circle or directing circle I'll be using 90 millimeters. And by the calculation that we did previously in that of the epicycloid, we are still using the same formula, and what I got as the angle is 120 degree. So what we need to do now is to have a point here. So I put the point here. Okay, so we have this point, then with our 45 degrees set square, so we draw a line in this direction like this. So we draw this line, then we take our protractor. So we take the protractor, so placing it at this point. So let me call this point, so let's label it at point O here. So we place at this point. Then we take a measurement of 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. So we are going to divide this 120 into 12 equal parts, and that will give us 10 degrees. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, so this is 4, 5, 6, 7, so this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, then we have 11 here. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to, from this point O here, so we draw a line through the 12th point. The 12th point, we draw a line through it like this. Okay, then we now take our compass. So we take a measurement of 90 millimeters, which is the radius of the base circle or directing circle. We take 90 millimeters like this. So this is 90 millimeters. Okay, so we take 90 millimeters and put it at point O here. Then we draw an arc like this. Okay, then we take the radius of the rolling circle, so which is 30 millimeters. So we take 30 millimeters. So we are going to call this point, so we call it point P, and we call this 0. Then we put at this point, so we make an arc here, then we put at this point, and it touches this. So we are going to draw a circle like this. So here we draw a circle. Then for this circle, we are going to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. But first of all, we are going to divide it to 4 equal parts. So with our 90 degree set square, so I've just set like this, and draw a line through this point. Alright, so then we take the radius of this circle, so putting at this point, so make an arc here and here. Then we put at this point, so make an arc here and here. So putting at this point, so make an arc here and here. Then the last point is this, so make an arc here and here. Alright, so we are going to number this point, and we number this point as point 1. So this is point 2, this is point 3, so this is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6, point 7, point 8, point 9, point 10, so 11, and then back to 0. So next thing that we are going to do is to So join this point together. So we join 1 and 7 together. So 1 and 7. So we join them together with a straight line like this. Then we join point 2 and 8 together. 2, 8. We join them together. And we've already joined 3 and 9 together, then point 4 and 10. So we join them together. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to take our compass. So we take the compass. So putting it at this point O here. So I need to adjust it. So putting at this point O. So we extend it to 111. So 11 and 1, they are the same point on circumference of the circle. Then we draw an arc like this. Okay. Then we extend it to 210. 2 and 10, they are the same point on circumference of the circle. So we draw an arc, and it goes like this. Then we extend it to 3 and 9. 3 and 9, so they are the same point on the circumference of the circle. Then we draw an arc, so it goes like this. Then we extend it to 8, 4. So 8, 4, they are the same point on circumference of the circle, and we draw an arc. So it goes like this. Then next is 7, 5. 7, 5. So we draw an arc. It goes like this. Then 6. So we have this point 6. So here we draw an arc like this. And we have to take that easy. Okay. Then from this point O here, so we extend to the center of the rolling circle, and we draw a center arc like this. Alright, so now, having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a line from point O through each of these 12 points that we have. When we divided that 120 degree into 12 equal parts, so we draw this. Then from here, so we draw this. So from this point, so we draw through this point. Then from here, we draw. Alright, so we keep on doing this till we get to the last one. So from O, so we draw this. Also from point O, we draw this. Okay, so from point O, so we draw through it, and from O, so we draw the last one. Alright, so then we are going to number the center. So if we number this as 1 prime, so this is 2 prime, this is 3 prime, so 4 prime, this is 5, so this is 6 prime, so 7 prime, this is 8 prime, this is 9 prime, this is 10 prime, this is 11 prime, and this is 0 prime. So then we are going to number the or label the center. So this is center C0. So this is center here C1, center here C2, this center C3, so this center here C4, this center here C5, so here is C6, so this is C7, so here is C8, so here is C9, this is C10, so this is C11, and here we have C0. Okay, so next thing that we are going to do is to take a compass, and then so as this circle is rolling on this arc, so it's going to give us a curve that we call hypocycloid. So we take the radius of the rolling circle, which is 25 millimeters. So then we put our center 1. So don't forget that in this case we have arc 1 here. So we make an arc here at this point. So you put our center 2. So you make an arc on arc 2, as you can see here. Then so we put it as center 3. So we make an arc on arc 3. So this is arc 3. Okay. Then we put it here. We make an arc on arc 4. So it's going like this. Then we put our center 5. So we make an arc on arc 5. So we put our center 6. So it will touch this point. So let's take note of that. So then arc 7. So we make an arc here. Then arc 8, center 8. So you make an arc on arc 8. Okay. Then center 9. So you make an arc on arc 9. So center 10. So you make an arc on arc 10. And center 11. So you make an arc here on arc 11. So let's make sure we can see this point. So everything will be connected to this point. So we have this point here. So this point. Then we have this point. So this point here. So followed by this point. So this is point 6 here. So followed by this. Then we have this point. So here we have this point. And here we have this point. So then this point and this point. So we are going to join all these points together to obtain what we call an hypocycloid. Okay, so we join this together. So we join these two together like this. Then so this is connected to this. Okay, so we join this together. Then we join this together. Okay, then so we can turn here and we join this 3 points together with this. And we connect this together with this, and we connect this together, and then the last one, so we connect this together. So this is the curve that we call hypocycloid. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you.